The activities of the Akhada in the Kumbh area are witnessing a remarkable surge as preparations for the Mahakumbh intensify. With land now allocated to all 13 Akhada, they have embarked on the significant ritual of Bhumi Pujan, which lays the spiritual groundwork for their permanent settlements. This year, the 5 major sannyasi Akhada took the lead in organizing the Bhumi Pujan ceremonies, drawing hundreds of sadhus, saints, and key members of the Kumbh administration to partake in these auspicious rituals. Conducted with reverence, this worship enhances the dignity of the Kumbh Mela, underscoring its essence as a sacred gathering that draws devotees from across the country and the globe. As the Mahakumbh approaches in Prayagraj, the mobilization of the Akhada is palpable. With the Bhumi Pujan completed, the Akhada have shifted their focus towards establishing their respective camps. This traditional ceremony not only marks the commencement of their preparations but also reinforces their commitment to the rituals and practices that define the Kumbh experience, invoking the blessings of the 33 crore deities to sanctify the land and the event itself. Following the Bhumi Pujan, the Akhada are now poised to raise their flags, signaling the establishment of their presence in the Kumbh area. The construction of their camps is soon to follow, marking a crucial stage in their preparations. This sequence of events not only amplifies the spiritual significance of the Kumbh Mela but also represents a vital step towards fostering an empowered community for the sadhus. These rituals transcend mere religious obligation. They serve as a resounding affirmation of their cultural heritage, ensuring the continuity of traditions that have been passed down through generations.